today's show, Kerry from Kalisan is here and she shows us how to make this amazing wall and then turn it from this into this. Stay tuned. Hello, Greg from Balloon Market here and welcome to BMTV. And as you can see, we're joined by Kerry from Kalisan.
Hello. Hi, Greg.
Hello, Kerry from Kalisan. You all right?
Yeah, I'm good. You okay?
I'm wonderful. Thank you so much for asking. Anyway, today we're going to do something with K-links again, aren't we?
Yes, we
We're
are.
going to go big.
Yes, we are going to do a K-link wall.
Okay.
So easy pattern that can be copied, but has so many different outcomes for occasions.
Yeah.
And
K-links are really good for walls.
Yes.
It is so easy to make a wall.
yeah, I generally feel a K-link is not used as well as its ability, because I think people are scared of how to use them. So hopefully this video will show people how easy it is.
And if people want to try things with K-links, where can they buy K-links from?
From bluemarket.co.uk. See, I'm
That was a
getting
bit
better.
cheesy, wasn't it? Yeah. Anyway, come on, let's do it.
Okay, so what we have done is I have a K-link here, and all the K-links are inflated to 9 inches.
All right.
Okay. One of the important things to remember, it doesn't matter if you tie it on either end.
Of course.
It works both ends. So along the bottom, I have pre-made a chain which is 20 long.
Okay.
So to tie, what's really important, you don't want it slipping. Okay. So you're going to pop it in like that, and then you're going to wrap once, twice, and then knot.
Okay.
Like that. Okay.
Yeah.
So the reason it's 20 long, because I actually want it to be 10 K-links along the bottom.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Yep. So then that means that this side's coming back towards you, like so. And then what I'm going to do...
Wait a second, it's longer.
That's right, you just tie those two together.
I don't know what you're on about.
So I'm going to tie these two together.
Oh, I'm on the wrong side.
We can swap back round.
This is really odd.
It's fine.
I feel lost.
All I need to do is that, so we can
Oof.
swap back round. Okay, so starting from the top, you want to have your 2
Yep.
there, bring it in and make a square, so like this.
Yes.
Now to hold these together, most people would tie. Personally, I don't, because I think it puts pressure on it.
Okay.
There, so all I'm going to do is grab a duplicate and I'm just going to pop it in through one side, bring that one from the bottom up, twist it, put one on top and one behind.
Can you not just twist the balloons?
You could, but if I want to now change this, all I know is I've got to pull that up, twist the balloons, take it out, and it's easy because you're using the same technique the whole time. So bottom one up, twist, one behind, one in front.
Okay.
Okay?
You're going to repeat.
Repeat. Okay, so come through, one up, twist, one in front, one behind. Come through, round the back, twist. And then the last one. Yeah?
Okay.
And that is it. That is your first column made.
Are we holding it up? Yeah.
Yep, just like that.
Ta-da! All right, simple.
That is your base. So now we're going to attach it on the wall.
Okay, where's the
We've
wall?
all made.
Oh, we're going to have the
Ready?
clicky finger thing.
You can click your finger.
This clicky finger thing. Put that down.
Okay.
You ready? Do you remember to do the clicky finger
Yes.
thing? Got to face that way. Ready?
I'm gone.
3, 2, 1. Hey, there we are. And here this is. And there that is. So tell me what we've done.
All this is if you look, that's one of what we've made here.
So it's just like, you've done that,
3, 4.
that, and that.
Yeah.
Okay. And
So
how
you
do you
just repeated the pattern.
And do you just attach them neck to neck?
No. So
No.
all you're going to do, we're going to attach this on the bottom. So you see how
You want me to get down on my knees?
Yeah.
Oh,
so you
God.
see how we've got our 5-inch already there.
Do you know how old I am?
You know how what we did before? You're literally just going to pop one
Oh
through.
yeah, there's 2 balloons here. Okay.
Put one through, twist it, one at the front, one at the back.
You make it sound easy. Around the pole.
Nope.
No, not around the pole.
So you literally...
You know, you make it sound easy.
Try one that's inside.
It's all right. It's okay. I've done it. I think I've done it. I've done it!
There we go.
You know what, though? I really enjoy it. So you've done 4 in the time. I've done 1.
Really simple. So it's just literally exactly the same you did when it was flat. Pull one through, twist, one at the front, one at the back, and that's it.
I really loved how easy it was to attach this to the pole as well. That was...
So I will go over that with you in a bit on how to do it.
Okay. All right.
Okay. So this is a K-link wall, easy pattern. Some people like it with the gaps in the middle. But one thing that I always make sure I like to finish is that you can't see the mechanics. So the bit we've added on, you can see the knots. So I've just got some caramel 5-inch.
Okay.
And all I'm going to do is do exactly like we did before, round and twist.
Am I helping?
Yeah. I feel like if you picked it up, Greg.
I've done it. I did it. Look, I did it. Oh, you want me to go along as well? Oh.
Yeah, because it's got to be nice and uniform.
Oh, I've done it.
There you go.
One more. You can tell I don't work with balloons. Well, yeah, that can go on the pole then.
There we go. So you can see all the way around, it's nice and uniform.
Perfect.
There. Okay.
And there you go. Thank you, everybody, for watching. This has been absolutely fantastic, hasn't it? We're not finished, are we?
No.
I can tell by that look. All right. There's more. I knew there was more, really. Okay, what we're going to do?
So you could leave the wall like this with the holes, or you could go one better by filling in these holes, and it's as simple as this. Here's some I made earlier.
Magic bag of balloons. So what are you going to do with this?
Now what I've done is made sure the caramel brown is at the back of every one.
Okay.
Now because we want caramel brown at the front as well.
Doesn't really matter, does it?
No, but with this we kind of don't think about the pattern because it's kind of organic-y with pattern, and all you do is literally done.
Are we going to do that everywhere?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go. That's great, isn't it? Thank you, Kirsten. That looks brilliant. It looks even better when I'm stood over there. It looks really great.
So again, it's just recipe, easy, repeat.
This is so easy though. I'm going to go so far as to say I could do this.
And the thing is, again, not very expensive, but the perceived value is on point. If you can imagine an event, backdrop, or wedding.
I love the way you just do that.
Backdrop.
Hold on. Let's just do that.
Okay.
Do that.
Backdrop. Hey. There's lots of different things you can do. For example, you could use it for a baby shower.
Yeah.
By just doing this.
Yeah.
You could add in this.
Oh.
Now what I would do is always give your customer this. So once they've popped the balloon to reveal what they're having.
Oh, baby reveal.
Yeah.
Okay.
They can stick that back in. They still got a wall for the rest of their party.
What a good idea.
Or if it's not a baby reveal, you could make it for a baby shower.
Yep.
Or by adding foils and other.
How would you add foils in?
I'll show you. So
Will you?
if we click our finger, I will show you how you can put foils and stuff in there as well.
Clicky finger thing again?
Yes.
Okay, all right.
Ready?
Ready?
Steady.
3, 2, 1. Hey, and look at that. Oh, you've left a hole.
I left that one for you.
I know you did, really.
So just to show how we can add foils in, all we've done is use stretchy tape with a 260 and attach that to the backing. Okay. And then you'll just show how easy it is.
Show you how easy it is. Ta-da! Look at that.
To add a foil in. So you can make it for any occasion.
That's fantastic. Now you've got another couple of things here.
A couple of things, yeah. So we have some of these little bears and the same stretchy tape.
Stretchy tape, 260.
260.
And you're just going to tie that on somewhere. Shall I go this side?
Is pull it. And I'm just going to wrap it round one of the 5 inches there. And then move it into the position I want it to be.
Yeah.
And
what about these balloons? How did you put those on?
So these ones, I've done a raise and twist at the back.
Yep.
So popped a little bit of balloon, tied loads of knots in a bit of 260, dropped it in, found the position I wanted it.
Yeah.
Then
Another bit of 260. Yeah.
in. So then same principle as that one.
You can just tie it on somewhere.
I'm just going to wrap it around one of the 5 inches. Like so. And then once it's in position, I'm just going to use these ribbons and wrap it as though the teddy bear is holding the balloons. So it looks like you're using helium and they're floating.
Yeah, yeah, it's
but
fantastic.
With those. So obviously on this one we've used New Baby.
Yeah.
But just by changing a few things, you could put happy birthday foils or, graduation.
It could be literally
anything.
Anything at all. New
Just using
Year,
the same pattern.
Christmas, anything.
Yeah.
Okay, go this side now because I feel very uncomfortable. Cool. Well, Kerry, we didn't show everybody the back of the wall.
We can do that if you
Let's
like.
do that.
Yeah.
Okay, how are we going to... I'll hold the teddy.
At the same time?
And pivot.
So we're literally just going to... Do you want to go forward and I'll go back? And this is how easy this is. And then just to show with the poles, all we've done is slotted them in between the balloons. You can use a 260 if you want to attach it directly on there. But this should be enough because the latex is pulling it.
It's just so easy.
In.
And it just stays on really, really well.
Look how easy it is to move.
Yeah.
Normally when big balloon structures are in places, people are too scared to move them, but you can literally just pick it up and go.
That's simple. Kerry, if people have enjoyed watching this, what should they do?
They should hit like,
And subscribe.
Hit the bell so that they're notified when any BMTVs go on. And if you like the shows, please comment and tell me what you'd like to see next.
Have a look at us on social media as well. We've got some of those things going on. Instagram, Facebook, TikTok. Check it out. Anyway, Kerry, thank you so much. Thank you everybody for watching from myself and Kerry. See you next time.
See you later.
Bye.
Bye.